So I click verify. I entered that 16 cents. And once I verify, your bank account is verified. So this was the entire process. Now everything is done and you will start receiving your Google AdSense account to your bank account directly every month. You have a monetized YouTube account and that account is connected to Google AdSense as an individual account. What it means, you have given your personal tax information and the Google payout comes to your personal bank account. Now, for some reason, you want to change this to the business account. Now, business is a separate entity from an individual and the business will have a company name and a separate business bank account. So, for you to do this change, how this will happen, that entire process I'm showing in this video. It's not a very straightforward way to do. I'm showing you how exactly I did it and did it seamlessly without any issue. And for that, you need to have a separate AdSense account because your AdSense account, what you have as an individual, is connected to a Gmail ID, which means you'll have to create a separate Gmail ID for this business AdSense account where you give your business tax information to Google before they can verify. And once that is set up, the payment come to your business bank. And here you also will have to update your bank detail, get the approval done, everything I'm showing in this video. And I was not able to find any video as a reference online on the internet. So this is a test case which I did and I successfully could do without losing any money from YouTube. So watch the video till the end, and in case you have any question, please use the comment section where I respond to every single comment. And also watch out other videos where I have shown how to move from business account to personal account or how to set up a individual AdSense account. So I have covered you all. In case you have any question, just drop me a comment and I will respond. So without wasting time, let's directly get into the video where I show how this entire setup is done. Open a Google AdSense business account. You'll have to log into Google AdSense and you'll have to use your Gmail username and password. So in my case, I already have an account, so I will skip this. But in your case, you'll have to go sign up for new AdSense account by entering your email which you want to associate. Then you come to this page and here your site is not mandatory. I don't have a site, I'm selecting, and get more out of AdSense. I'm selecting yes, you can choose either of them. Then comes your payment country. In my case, I will select Canada. In your case, you'll have to select your country. And then once you come down, start using AdSense. So we come to this page and on this page, we will enter the information that is telling us about you. Okay, so see, enter information. You can add site, but right now, I don't have a site. I have a YouTube account. So I will be showing the enter information. Okay. So you have explore, you can connect your site. Once you click enter information, now it's time for you to enter your business details. So in account type, first from the drop down, select business. Since this is a business account, you'll have to give your business detail, business name, who is managing the business, address, city, all those details will be filled by you by looking at the business document. Okay, so once this is done, address, primary contact, email address, all those things, submit. Then the next part is on the left panel, you see payments. Here on the payment section, payment info. So once you do this, you will get this page. Here, you'll have to click manage settings. On this page, you come down, scroll down, and once you scroll down, here, United States tax info. Click on manage tax info. Once you click, come to this page, that's tax reporting, and here add tax info. Once you click add tax info, read this section carefully, fully, and once you have done with that, you can click the start form button. So once you click start form, you come to your login page again where you enter your credential and you come to this page where you give your tax info. What type of account this is? Non-individual entity because it's a business account. And then once you come down, is your entity organized or incorporation in US? No, because this is a business which is not in US. If you remember, I showed Canada. Once you do that, now Canada has a tax treaty with US. So I'm selecting this. You'll have to check if your country has a tax treaty and then, based on that, you'll have to select one of these options. Canada has a tax treaty, so I have selected this option. And once that is done, start W8BNE form. So once this page gets updated, come to this page, name of the organization, make sure you're entering the correct organization name, no mistake, as it is given in the document. Doing business as, name, select the country. Here I have shown Canada, and then corporation, then your foreign TIN. Here in foreign TIN, you will enter the business identification number if you are from Canada, and if you're from any other country, whatever your business number is, that you'll have to enter. You update your address as it is in the document. Everything has to mirror the document. Once you enter that, if postal address is same, you select that and then click next. Then here, are you claiming reduction rate of withholding under tax treaty? In my case, I'm selecting yes because of the country Canada. So checking this box, and then country is Canada. Come down and again check this box. Okay, derive the items of income, then select company that meets the derivative test. So I have selected this, and selecting the services such as AdSense, and in this article selecting the option. Okay, so it's zero reduction for Canada. In your case, you'll have to see which country you are from and select accordingly. Then select whichever is appropriate. I'm selecting this option, motion picture, and then even here, Article 12, 10% reduction, which is treaty rate for Canada. Then on the reason part, selecting as a tax resident, okay, and other copyright and royalties, again, 0% based on the tax treaty for Canada. Once this is done, click next. Once you click next, come to this page, and here activities and service performed in US has the entity identified in tax identity section. Performed any activity and services for Google within the US? My response is no. You'll have to select your option, and then I'm certifying. Okay, so I don't do any activity in US. Click next. Then tax reporting, I'm opting for paperless, and then I accept. Click next, and then I confirm. So you have an option to go download this and check in detail. I'm selecting this and clicking next. Then you go through entire thing once. Okay, so here tax treaty form, all of those are shown, and then certify and sign. In this, check this box, come down. In case there is anything incorrect in the form within 30 days, I assure that I will update. So once you go through this entire thing, come down, we'll come to this unchanged status affidavit little later. Here in your signature, click I certify, and then here legal name will be person's legal name who is authorized to sign. So in this case, if you are the director, you will enter your name, and once that is done, let's go and see the unchanged status affidavit, which is on top, which I have not checked yet. So basically by checking this box, okay, you see, Google will be able to apply the tax based on the period covered. Okay, so you can go through this, what is written. Here I will be checking I certify box, and then once it is checked, enter the year from when you want to have Google review this. So I have entered the date, and then this description and date box is optional. I just leave it as it is, then come down and submit. So we are back on the payment page. Here you see everything is now captured. Tax info has been accepted. Now you will log into your YouTube account, come to YouTube Studio and click on the Earn section, which is seen on the left side of the panel. Once you click here, you will be able to see the YouTube Partner Program option, the AdSense account, which is currently connected. Now we will be initiating for the change. So click change, and then you'll have to go through verification process. You'll have to proceed, and once verification is done, you will log into your account. You are directed to your business Google AdSense account, where you have to enter your email and credential. And once you're done with, click next, and then here all your existing Google Publisher account detail is shown. Okay, once you go through this, come down, accept association, click on this. So basically from your individual account, now you're moving this to your business account. Your YouTube has moved from individual business account. So once this is done, you will see this detail. Okay, you see account type is now business, and it's getting redirected. You come to your YouTube Studio again, and here on your YouTube Studio, there are two things which have already been completed. First is the review of base term and getting reviewed, because your YouTube was already monetized and you're moving a monetized account to another AdSense. So that part is done. The step two, which is the sign up of Google AdSense account, that's what we are doing now. So once we proceed, get this email, you need to verify your identity. This will be done through government issued ID like passport or driving license, which you'll have to take a picture, which is very easy. Verify with the document. Okay, so click verify now. It says the verification takes few days, so have patience. Click got it. Then once you get this email, identity verification is successful. Verify your address to receive payment from Google AdSense. So for this, Google will send 6-digit PIN to your mailing address. This will be a physical copy which will come to you, and once you receive that mail, you'll be able to see that 6-pin digit, and that PIN you will have to log into your AdSense account. I'll show you how. Once you come to your AdSense account, in the payment section, verify check. Once you click here, you see enter PIN that we mail to your billing address. So you enter the PIN, and once you enter the PIN, submit. Identity verification completed, address verification completed. Now that your AdSense account is verified, it's time to link your AdSense account to your bank. And here it will be your business bank. So make sure you have all the detail. In case you are confused, call a bank. Okay, you click update here and add payment method, enter your business bank account detail, make no mistake. And once you do this and submit, there will be a small transaction fee which Google will make. In my case, they made a 16-cent transaction, which was reflecting in my account. And once I saw that, came here in the payment info link again and click verify. Okay, see here, so I click verify. I entered that 16 cents, and once I verify, your bank account is verified. Got it? So this was the entire process. Now everything is done, and you will start receiving your Google AdSense account to your bank account directly every month.